You have resolved to overcome your addiction once and for all, but here you are again, faltering. You have got a motivation and determination, yet you find yourself falling short repeatedly. You lack a proper strategy to conquer your addiction. You are simply trying to avoid the things that make you addicted, hoping it will work out somehow. While your intentions are good, your approach is ineffective. Here's what you can do differently. Instead of just trying to stop your addiction, focus on building new, healthier habits. If you only try to avoid the things that make you addicted, it might work at first, but not for long. Eventually, you will relapse. But if you work on developing new, positive habits, over time the things that used to trigger your addiction won't have the same power over you. Why does this work? Well, habits, even addictive ones, don't really go away. Surprising, right? Think about riding a bicycle. Even if you haven't ridden in years, once you hop back on, your body still knows what to do. It might take a few minutes to get back into the groove, but the muscle memory of riding won't disappear because it's ingrained in your brain. Our brains retain habits until we die. That's why you can't completely erase the ones driving your addiction, but you can transform those habits into new, more positive ones. Every habit has a trigger or cue. For some, it's boredom. For others, sadness, stress, or loneliness. By identifying these triggers and substituting them with new habits whenever they surface, you can break free from your addiction. For instance, if you find yourself scrolling through social media or reaching for a cigarette out of boredom, train yourself to do something different whenever you feel bored, like picking up a book. If you are struggling with pornography addiction, try redirecting your focus to activities that bring you fulfillment. By replacing old habits with new ones that promote happiness, health, or even financial well-being, you can break free from any addiction. As you cultivate these positive habits, you'll discover that your life becomes more meaningful and the appeal of pornography diminishes. You might be wondering, the theory sounds simple, but how do you actually put it into practice? We'll explore foolproof strategies for building new positive habits in our upcoming videos. Just remember, you have the ability to succeed in life. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. See you in the next videos.